Alright guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from Marinemax in Pompano Beach. I'm aboard a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. The boat's equipped with twin V8 300 Verados. The tan interior. As we walk forward, you got the large sun pad in the transom, stereo controls, 12-volt phone charger, LED lights in the cup holders there. When we walk into the cockpit, the large wraparound L seating, extra plush cushions, a very comfortable boat for your friends and family to go out cruising. On the starboard side, we have on this boat equipped with an electric Kenyan cooktop grill, which runs off of an inverter that the boat has on it, as well as a 12-volt cockpit refrigerator. A nice upgraded feature that this boat also has is the upgraded Fusion stereo system with a subwoofer, and then the integrated fiberglass hardtop with an extending share shade that comes back over the transom. This is a really great 31-foot sport boat from Sea Ray. 2 forward-facing captain seats. This is equipped with joystick piloting, 2 9-inch Simrad screens with fish finder, GPS, and all your motor controls. Also, it does have a VHF radio. Coming to the port side, nicely equipped head, vacuum flush toilet, holding tank, freshwater sink. Ample seating in the bow. Get 4 or 5 adults up here comfortably without their knees or feet touching each other. Flip down armrest for comfort. We also have this boat equipped with the anchor windlass with a remote up here and at the helm controls. Again, it's Justin Costello, Marinemax Pompano Beach. It's the 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.